Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be solving question number 8 on chapter 2. So this is question 8. So given an airplane's acceleration A and takeoff speed V, you can compute the minimum runway length needed for an airplane to take off using the following formulas. So the length is equal to V raised to the power 2 divided by 2A. So the question says write a program that prompts the user to enter V in meters per second and the acceleration A in meters per second squared and display the minimum runway. So let's get to it. Let's look at the variables that we have. We have takeoff speed as V, then we have acceleration as A, then we have runaway length. So I'm going to use double. So the first variable is going to be acceleration, which is the same as A, and the second one is going to be takeoff speed. Make it that way. And the last one is runway length. That's it. So first we have to import. I've already imported the Java detail.scanner, but of course we are getting an input, so let me just use it. So where are we going to score? So let's tell the user that he or she should enter the which one first? The velocity first, which is V, the takeoff speed. So let me see, make it a little bit clearer. V in meters per seconds, and the bracket the same as ms. So we are going to store this one inside the takeoff speed. Okay, so takeoff speed is equal to what? Input dot next what? It's going to be the next double. Okay, again have to tell the user to input the acceleration, which is A in meters per second squared. So enter acceleration to bracket A in same as in level just pen square. Or simple in brackets meter per second square. Okay, so that's it. And we are going to store it inside the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to input. What next? Double. Now we have to declare the runaway length. Why did I use 3 and double N and so on? So we have to declare the runaway length. So runway underscore length is equal to what? V squared. That's going to be what? V times V. So it's going to be the takeoff speed times the takeoff speed, all divided by 2a. So I'm going to put them into brackets to avoid miscalculation. So all this one divided by 2 times the what? Acceleration. So we have to display to the user that the minimum runway length of the airplane is this and that. Okay, there's red line here, this red line here. What's wrong? I've sent some red lines. The airplane is runway length is going to be in meters. Okay, now scanner input, scanner system in. Runway length was right on here. Run and see. I will try to debug it because I have seen some questions. So exception in the thread Java uncompiled cannot find symbol method scanner. Okay. Okay, I forgot something here. New scanner. And what about this one? Expected. So this one. Okay, 2 times the acceleration. You see, sometimes you have to look carefully through the code to see whether you have made a mistake or not. See, right now the red lines are gone. So let me run it again and see. Now it's working. So I have to enter the velocity or the takeoff speed of the airplane, let's say in meters per second. So I'm going to use 30. Now the acceleration in meters per second. So I'm going to use a number 12. So you see that the I've forgotten something here. Okay, the minimum runway length. Okay, that's it. 30, 11, or 12 or whatever. So the minimum runway length of the airplane is 4,950 meters. So that's it. So this is the end of chapter 2. These are all the codes. So make sure when you are writing, you have to add some comments. So for instance, here you can say that you can add a comment saying getting an input, okay, value from the user, just to make your code look nice. And here you can also add another comment saying that the value, okay, let me say the input value is going to be stored in the variable what takeoff speed. Okay, so if you don't want to write, you can just copy and paste. So you can add lines to your comment to make it look nice. So that's it. Look at the code very well and try to copy it yourself, and then when you run it, if you see an error, make sure that you correct everything. Look at the letters. The starting letters is all in caps. This one too is in caps. When you're using system.printout, it's also in caps. And your code should be closed by 2 curly brackets. That's everything. Add your name, your index number, but make sure you change the class. So to change the class, just create new project, java.ant, and next. Here you have to name your application. Okay, for every example that I have done, you have to make a different name. So you can say example. What is this example? Example 1. This is as your number 1, which I did earlier, and you can click on finish. So you see the class name has changed to example 1, and you start writing your code. So I'm just going to say thanks. What is this? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And I can